In this video, you'll learn how to hide filters in Notion. This process will help you manage your workspace more effectively by allowing you to streamline your views. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access your pages and databases. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This can typically be found in the sidebar of your Notion workspace. Click on the button that says Add a Page to create a new page where you can set up your database. After that, you will need to click on the title of your newly created page. This action allows you to rename the page according to your preference, making it easier to identify later. Type in database in the title area. This will help you organize your content effectively. It is advisable to use a clear title that reflects the purpose of your database. Once you have named the page, click on a blank space within the page. This action is essential as it allows you to initiate the database creation process without any distractions. Type in /database to prompt Notion to display options related to databases. This command is crucial for accessing the database features that you will need. Now, click on database inline from the options that appear. This selection allows you to create an inline database that integrates seamlessly into your page layout. Then locate and click on Task Tracker to select it as the template for your new database. This template provides a structured format for managing tasks effectively. Click on the Get Started button to proceed with the setup of your database. This action will guide you through the initial configuration process. After that, click on Done to finalize the setup. This confirmation step ensures that your database is properly created and ready for use. Next, click on the task name within your newly created database. This will open up the task for editing and further customization. Click on Add Property to include additional fields in your database. This step is important for tailoring the database to meet your specific needs. Select Checkbox from the available property types. This option allows you to include a checkbox feature, which is useful for tracking completed tasks. Now, click on Filter to access the filtering options available in your database. Filters allow you to manage and view your tasks more effectively. Next, click on Checkbox to specify the type of filter you want to apply. This selection is essential for narrowing down the items displayed in your database. Then, click on Unchecked to set the filter criteria. This action will hide any completed tasks, allowing you to focus solely on pending items. Now, click on the checkbox for the first row in your database. This action marks the task as completed, allowing you to manage your workload efficiently. Click on the checkbox for the second row to continue marking tasks as completed. This will help you track your progress as you work through your to-do list. Finally, click on the checkbox for the third row to finish updating your tasks. This step confirms that you have successfully hidden completed tasks from view. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.